Okay, let's do a short video for Chainlink. Now the question is, can Chainlink do 10x or more in the next bull market? And let's find out together. Now, Chainlink, okay, everybody know Chainlink. It's a hot blue chip tokens. If you go into CoinMarketCap, you will see that the Chainlink is on number 11, okay? $15 today. The market is pumping today. Now, it doesn't matter when you watch this video. The most important is to do the maths. Now, please just understand that nothing here is financial advice. I am not giving you any financial advice. Do not put more money you can afford to lose. Just disclaimer right there. Read and take a screenshot. Okay, this video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Okay, so let's go and check about Chainlink. Okay, a lot of people love it. It's one of my top 5-6 holding, and let's see if we can make some money in the future. So the market right now is blowing up. The Bitcoin is around 38,700, very soon going to hit 40,000. ETF going to be approved. We are all bullish. Hey, happy days, going to hit 100k by the end of the next year, or maybe 2025. So if Bitcoin hit around 70,000-80,000 up to 100,000, Chainlink going to do much more. Okay, that's mean on Bitcoin we can make 3x the money. But what about Chainlink? If you go and open the Chainlink, you will see, I like by the way CoinGecko. You will see that the top price, if you go right here, was $52, or we are minus 72% from all-time high. Okay, 72%. Okay, we are here. So it was great buying opportunity right here at around $6 to $7, but it's double the price only when in this small bull market what we have in the last 4 weeks. A lot of tokens do 5, 10, 15x, like Solana did 6x, but this one just double in the tokens. Okay, double in the price. So today the price is $15. If the price go back to all-time high, again, we need to take under consideration the total supply. We have the circulation supply is around 55-56% from the all total supply that we're going to get. If the price go back to all-time high, it's going to be around 3.5x from today. Okay, now I believe, again, this is my personal opinion, this can easily double than this. So I expect in the next bull market, when the Bitcoin hit around 100k, it's not if, it's when, I believe this can go around 70, between 80 and $100. Easy should be there. Again, we need to be a little bit pessimistic. I know a lot of people are going to say when the Bitcoin going to hit 70, 80,000, when new all-time high, everybody going to come and predict, oh, Bitcoin going to hit 200,000, 1 million, you know, and all that rubbish and bullshit. Make sure if you're getting some position here, I'm DCA, make sure you take some profits on the way up, okay? And you know, just make sure you do that. Everybody need to do that. So this was just a short video. If you go and check, by the way, just some information, what is Chainlink? Okay, if you go even on CoinMarketCap, right here, you can see, okay, about, and you will see like what is the Chainlink. So Chainlink was found in 2017. So simple, you will see that if you go to the CoinGecko, that the Chainlink is actually for building decentralized oracles network, okay? That's what's bringing the real world data into the blockchain network, okay? So Chainlink it's a sleeper according to me. Okay, that's about it. So I think easy, you know, 6, 7, 8x in the next bull market, but I hope I'm wrong and it's going to do double than that. Now, if you want to find one of the best tokens with low market cap, okay, I'm talking about 5 million, 3 million, you know, where 10 million who have a real utilities. One of the best place is if you go and check Portfolio Masters on Telegram group. This is for free. They have 2 versions, one for free and one VIP. Now just look their history wherever they find all these tokens. This was listed on November 25th, okay, so this is a week ago. So everything what they posted in their VIP group is already did 4x, 3x, 8x, 4x, 5x, 3x, and 13x. Okay, this is some of successful stories. Again, the link will be in the description. It's called Portfolio Masters. Make sure you join their free Telegram group. If you decide to join their VIP group, it's only like $50 per month. I already made that money with only 1 tokens. I put $200. I sold double for 400, and now I can ride the wave in their group for 4 months for free, basically. Again, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research as usual. Till the next one, I do I and you do you. Goodbye.